Okay, so for the party, IMO, we can have a BBQ and BTW. Let's have everyone RSVP, ASAP, okay? Oh, sorry. Hi everyone, this is Grammar, and today's topic is these 10 acronyms. Maybe you've seen these before, maybe you haven't, maybe you remember them, maybe you don't. Well, here I have them for you. Let's go with the first one. ASAP is as soon as possible. Let's imagine someone is writing you a text and maybe you're at work and they want you to hand in a report and they say, please deliver it ASAP, quickly or as soon as possible. The second one, BBQ. You know, when you're outdoors and you have a grill, you have the meat, really delicious, that is a barbecue, okay? The next one is ATM. I'm sure you've seen these all over town, sometimes outside of banks, and this means automated teller machine. You have your card, you put in the machine, you withdraw money, that's an ATM. The next one is RSVP. Many times when you get invited to a party, especially a formal party, you're going to see this. And this means please reply that you will attend the party. So if you see this on an invitation, please say, I can make it or I can't make it, okay? This one is FYI. This is for your information. So I'm giving somebody information and I could use this, okay? On this side, we have LOL. I'm sure you've seen this one before. You've probably used it. This is laughing out loud when something is funny. The next one, BTW, is by the way. So let's say you're texting someone and you're telling them something and you want to give them more information. You say, oh, by the way, okay? The next one is BRB, be right back. Maybe you have to go do something and you say, I'll be back, okay? The next one is IMO, in my opinion. If I want to give my opinion, my thoughts about something, I'm going to write this and then write my opinion, of course. The last one is RIP. Now, this is one we see sometimes, we don't like to see it. This is when someone passes on, and RIP means rest in peace. Many times when I'm wrestling and I beat up wrestlers, I say, rest in peace, okay? So, learning these 10 acronyms is all about practicing, so go out there and practice hard, okay? So as you can see, these acronyms are easy peasy, super breezy.